So in this particular session, we will discuss about skill set required for a consultant in the basic level. So if you want to set up a consultancy, so these are all the skill sets you should be having in the basic level. Okay. So if you are having these skill sets, okay, as a first stage, so you can set up a consultancy and you can start giving services to the clients. Number one, the language. Okay. If you are the local language, for example, if you are working for a client, okay, who knows only Hindi language. So if you don't know Hindi language, how to communicate with him, it will become very difficult for you. Correct? In that particular situation, what you can do, you can hire a engineer who can help you in communicating with that particular person, okay, and get the job done. So this is about if knowing the local language helps you to get the jobs for your consultancy. Next, if you are very good in your English, universal language, you can communicate with any person in any part of the world, okay, to get the job done. So language is very important for a person. Okay. Next, soft skills. So you should be knowing, I'm not telling you have to learn all these softwares. If you are knowing some of these softwares, if you are having knowledge about these softwares also, you can set up a consultancy. For example, if you are doing a structural consultancy, you should be knowing some analysis and design softwares. For example, StatPro, ANSYS and ETABS are used for analysis, and MS Excel, you can program some of the design procedures to get the analysis. You are going to put that analysis results in MS Excel and get the design results using that program. Okay, so if you are knowing only StatPro, do the analysis in it, get the analysis results, put it in MS Excel in the design charts or the design sheets to get the design results. Okay, then once you get the designs, what you have to do, you have to draft it, you have to give the details for it. Any one of the software, for example AutoCAD, Tekla Structure or Revit, anywhere, what you can do, you can just implement all these design details and give the detailing for them. Okay, and if you are setting up a small consultancy wherein you are giving some 3D elevation services, plan with 3D elevation, you might have to work on a little bit about SketchUp or ArchiCAD, Revit. V-Ray is there, okay, which is a tool to do the rendering. Lumion is there nowadays. Okay, so you have to have that knowledge to implement the service requirements to give the result to the clients. Okay, I'm not telling, again I'm telling you, people, don't learn all the softwares, expertise in some of them to give the best results on time. Okay, or else you'll get confused. So this is about the soft skills. Then communication. Nowadays writing email has coming to an end. Okay, if you are writing lengthy paragraphs, the people are not ready to read it. There is a lot of tools available like Vidyard and many other tools which you can use it to send video emails, which we will be discussing in the upcoming module. Okay, try to implement those things. You should be having a little bit of knowledge about how to write an email, like what are the formats, what should be the heading and all those things. If you are having those knowledge, it will be very helpful for you to communicate with the people. Next, social media presence. We have discussed a lot in the previous sessions. How you have to be present in Instagram, Facebook and YouTube, LinkedIn and all those things online. Okay, if your presence is very good, that communication, what you are doing it with the clients in the form of videos or the graphics, will become easy for you to market your brand. Next, resume, LinkedIn profile. This also we discussed in detail. LinkedIn profile, I showed you my LinkedIn profile also, how to write the headings, how to do the summary, what are the experience you have to write it there, all those things. So the communication means, if a client comes to you, if you give him the LinkedIn URL, when he goes to that particular URL, he will get maximum information about you. Okay, there is no need for you to explain him again what you are doing, what is your experience and all those things. He will just go through it. He will get to know that yes, this person will give me the proper consultancy service and he will give you the job. Okay, next, about the accounts. The money management is very important. We will discuss a little bit about this in the last session. Okay, you can hire the people who knows Tally or MS Excel to do the money management, like labor accounts, the material accounts, the bank accounts. A lot of things will be there in civil engineering, which we will be discussing very little bit of it in the last session. Okay, with respect to the accounts. So forming a team, we will be discussing in detail in the next module how to form a civil engineering team. Okay, so what are the basic requirements of it, so how you have to approach the people to form a complete team to do a consultancy. So this is about basic skill set requirement for to set up a consultancy. We'll see you in the next session. Thank you.